My name is Jess Presley. I have been in banking for 18 years. I started out working as a part-time teller in one of our branch locations. Now I am in client services. I'm the client services assistant manager.
Hello, I'm Sarah Culligan, and I'm the mortgage lender here in Carroll. I've been in banking for 18 years, and I actually started out as a teller and realized this was my passion, helping people and growing and helping them with their financial needs. I've held positions from anywhere from teller to customer service manager. I've done egg loans, but I really love what I do right now, and that is home lending for helping people get into home loans.
Hi, I'm Jackie Mailer, and I am the bank's Chief Financial and Operating Officer. I've been here for a little over 10 years. And in all honesty, banking was not on my original career path. I started out as a CPA working with a lot of small clientele like we serve here at the bank. And I would say that banking found me as I got involved in bank examinations and bank tax work.
Well, there's a lot of different pieces of advices that we could give, but I think my most important advice is finding a mentor who currently holds a position that you would like to grow into. I think having a mentor is one of the best successes that I've ever had. I can really correlate most of my success to individuals that I've worked with in the past. They had very strong work ethics and were always willing to help and to teach me new things. And I think that's always a huge part in being able to grow your knowledge and your skill sets.
I agree with you on that. It was really important for me to find a good mentor and just not be afraid to ask questions, because no question's a dumb question. And I feel like the people that I've found to work with have been awesome.
I think I would maybe say a little different approach for me because I came into banking later in my career. I believe getting involved in the IBA and really trying to find the resources to help me become more confident in banking, since that was a new area for me, that was important. And so I think same as a mentor, but finding those people that you can have conversations with. And then the other thing that I would say is don't hesitate to engage in additional learning. I also attended the Graduate School of Banking, which allowed me contacts outside of our local area here where I can really have conversations with them about, hey, what are you seeing today? And it really helps us expand on our leadership capabilities and banking knowledge both.
I would have to say one of my biggest career wins is the fact that I am now back in Carroll working for a community bank in my hometown. When I started in banking, I started right out of college. I was living in the city of Des Moines and working in different locations there. And it's funny because I was always told it would be very difficult to come back to Carroll, just because of, I think, sometimes the stigmas that we hear that, small community banks, it's harder to get into those places and to grow yourself. But I think for myself, my biggest accomplishment is being able to work my way back to Carroll, and to be part of a community where I get to help and serve my neighbors and my friends. And that for me is just such an opportunity that I could have never imagined that I'd be doing it today. But I'm very happy to say that I'm back in Carroll doing that now.
I'd have to say that one of my biggest accomplishments in banking is really getting to know my customers and being able to help them prevent all the different kind of fraud that's out there. I just learned and how for one, it makes your job more fun when you get to know the people that you're working with and your customers, and then you can get to learn the things that may not seem right, and you can help prevent things from happening to them. And I never thought that I would be helping businesses grow like I am. We have cash management and getting to help their businesses grow, and something like this is just I never thought I would be doing it, but I enjoy it.
I think for me, as I sit and think over the last 10 years, it's about the ability to lead people. That has been the biggest accomplishment for me. I started with a very, very small team when I was here at the beginning, and being able to bring people into various roles, work with them, have them understand how our bank has grown and what we need to do and change to expand our services to customers has been really rewarding. And I think the team that we have here now, even though it's on the operational side and accounting side behind the scenes, people don't always think about that, but it is a huge part of the banking environment, and we're here to support our employees as they serve our customers.
I'd have to say for me, the biggest challenges have been how the regulations are changing and making sure that our department is staying compliant. We're always changing, and the smallest regulation can make a huge impact on our daily procedures. And so just trying to stay up to date, that way, we run smoothly, and in the end, it's good for the customer because everything runs smoothly for them.
Yes. I would have to say my biggest challenge that I see on a day-to-day basis would probably be just keeping up with current products, keeping my knowledge keeping myself up to date on knowledge of new loan products that are offered, possible grants, ways we can better help our customers as they look to purchase their first home or get into their forever home, maybe downsizing. You just want to keep up with what your current markets are doing and staying active there. But one of the biggest things we notice is change. We're always dealing with change in banking, and really, if you're not willing to change, banking's probably not the place for you.
And I'm going to agree heavily with both of you on change. I think leading people through change is one of the biggest challenges. As you shared, there's so many different avenues that have to be changed, whether it's customer products, digital transformation, interest rates in this environment. And I think trying to balance that change so that we don't impact our customers in a way that's negative or viewed negatively, but still balancing risk and financial return for the bank. And that's a very difficult thing, and that's ongoing. So I don't think that's going away, but that's what makes the job challenging and interesting every day.